Hi, I'm Gretchen. I'm a wig specialist here at the Australian Wig Company, and I'm going to show you how to wash your human hair wig. When your wig is ready to wash, we're going to just double check if you have any clips inside that they are closed down securely. This one is a hand-tied wig, so there's no wefts to make sure that there's no hair poking through. What we want to do is make sure that it has no knots before we start, so if you need to, from the ends gently up to the root area. So to wash your human hair wig, we're going to get a tub of cold water and we're going to add our shampoo into there. We're going to mix the shampoo to get it bubbling. So the most important thing is that you hold the part of your wig with your thumb along the part line and keep it secure. We're going to dip the wig in and out of the water about 20 times, roots first through to the ends, making sure all the hair flows in the same direction. So the water running through the cap is enough to clean the cap. You don't need to scrub it, you don't need to ruffle or rough up the hair at all. Now we're going to rinse under a cold tap, holding the part line firmly, the water going from the roots through to the ends, keeping the hair all in the same direction. So just like your biological hair, we would recommend that you wash your hair twice. So the first wash will bring all the dirt and product to the surface, and then you tip your tub out and you start with a fresh tub, and that tub will actually clean and smooth the hair. To towel dry, just cover the wig gently and squeeze out any excess moisture. Don't ruffle the hair up, keep it nice and smooth as you go. Now we're ready to condition. So to condition, we want about a 50-cent piece worth of treatment conditioner. We're going to put that from the ends up to the roots. Just using your fingers to gently comb it through. If you like to have a lot of volume in your wig, then avoid the root area. If you want to reduce the volume in your wig, then make sure you coat the root area very well. Depending on the condition of your wig, you will leave your conditioner on for 1 to 10 minutes. The longer you leave it, the softer the hair will be. Once you have your conditioner on, we're going to comb through with your wide tooth comb from the ends, very gently up to the root area. So when you're pinning, we're going to pin through the ear tabs here on the side. Always avoid the hairline and the part line for your pins. Always put them off to the sides, preferably in those ear tabs. We avoid pinning in the hairline because it will puncture the lace area and can cause tearing eventually in the wig. And then we're going to comb through from the ends up to the roots. So we leave the hair to dry naturally. Once it's 100% dry, then we'll go through with curling tongs or straighteners to style the hair as desired. Make sure the part is nice and precise. If you like your hair off your face, then make sure at this stage that you're combing it back. If you want to encourage some move and wave in the hair, then you can scrunch through with your hands just to bring out the natural texture that's in the hair. Give it a good scrunch and then leave it to dry. So this will take probably a couple of hours to dry and then we'll be ready to style.